Hi all, welcome to Design Engineers Telugu. Till last class, we have discussed about sketch-based features, dress-up features, surface-based features, and transformation features, Boolean operations. These all toolbars we have discussed in previous videos. Now, let us discuss about advanced dress-up features. In that we have draft both sides, advanced draft, auto fillet, and auto draft. These four tools we will discuss now. These all are we have discussed once in dress up features also. Okay, so these four are extension to the dress up features. Okay, that's why we are calling it as advanced dress up features. It will be similar to dress up features only. Okay, so first I will create one object over here. So here I have created one circle and I'm adding material for this. Now it becomes cylinder, right? Okay, so here I have one cylinder and now I want to add draft for this one. So generally what we will do, we will take a angle draft and we will select this face as face to draft and this as our neutral element and then we will give some angle over here. Okay. So like this generally we will make a draft. But in some cases we have to create draft with respect to specific profile. Okay. So let us create one surface over here. Here I have created one surface like this. Okay, so now with respect to this surface, you want to create draft. Okay, so just extruding this like this. Okay, so here I have one surface. So now I want to get draft with respect to this surface. Okay, not for ఎంటైర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఓకే, సో జనరల్గా మనకి ఇలా వస్తుంది కదా, ఇలా రాకుండా ఎంటైర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్కి రాకుండా సర్ఫేస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటే అక్కడ ఈ సర్ఫేస్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని మనకి డ్రాఫ్ట్ అనేది క్రియేట్ అవ్వాలి. సో హియర్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ పార్ట్ డిజైన్ అగైన్. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు advanced dress up features, draft both sides. Here we have two options. Okay, one is reflect, another one is neutral. Okay, so these two options we have. Okay, and the first one, okay, if you have any edge blends, we have to use this first one. If you don't have any edge blends like this, you need to go for neutral. Okay, so now we don't have edge blend, right? So I'm selecting the second one and now here it is asking for parting element. Okay, we have to select the parting element. Okay, parting element is this surface. Okay, here also in this image you can see, right? So this surface is the parting element and next here is neutral element side 1. So top is the neutral element side 1 and bottom face is neutral element side 2. Okay, so I'm giving this as our side 2 and now face to draft. Okay, this is our face to draft and now here we can give the angle. Okay, so like this and then click on OK. See how you got your draft. Suppose if you hide this, you can see clearly, right? So I'm hiding this too. Okay, so like this with respect to that surface we got draft. Okay, suppose if you want to use the first one, what we have to do, we have to create edge blend. Here I'm doing undo and now I'm selecting edge blend Here I am giving edge plane. It here and here. Both side I have given edge plane 10 mm radius. Okay, if you wanna change this curve, it's up to you. Okay, if you don't wanna keep that much of deviation, you can simply create like this. It's up to you again. Okay, so now I'm going to advanced dress up features, draft both sides. Here, if you select the first one, here we have to select the parting element. Parting element is again surface, and pulling direction, it will always show normal to the face. Okay, next here, neutral element side one. See here, neutral element is not this face. We have to select this edge blend. Okay, and here also we have to select this edge fillet, and then here we have to give the angle. Okay, like this. Then just click on OK. See, same. Whatever we got earlier, same we will get here also, but earlier we don't have these fillets. Now we have the fillets. Okay, so it's about draft both sides. Okay, so next here we have advanced draft. Okay, suppose if you have cylindrical portion, you can use this one. If you have any box type of thing, then we will go for advanced draft. Let us see how it will work. Okay, so here I am deleting this part. Entire object I don't need. In this case, now I am creating one box over here. Okay, simple box I have created like this. Now you have to create draft for this box. Okay, so then we will go for advanced dress up features and then advanced draft. Here same, whatever we have done in draft angle, we have to do the same here also, but it will give more options in fact. Okay, so first here we have to select a face to draft. This is my face to draft and neutral element. I'm selecting this face as my neutral element. So from here I will get angle. Okay, so angle మనం చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కావాలంటే. And then here if you click on parting element, ఇక్కడ మనం పార్టింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ అని ఇవ్వాలి. అంటే తెలుసు కదా మీకు, సో డ్రాఫ్ట్ అనేది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది, ఇలా కాకుండా మధ్యలోంచి కావాలనుకోండి మీకు ఇలా పార్టింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఇస్తారు మీరు. ఓకేనా, అండ్ దెన్ లిమిటింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్. లిమిటింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ అంటే ఎక్కడ వరకు కట్ అవ్వాలి, అంటే ఎంటైర్ ఫేస్కి కావాలా లేదంటే సర్టెన్ లిమిట్లో కావాలా. సో హియర్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ this plane as my limit. Okay, so I have selected this plane. Okay, so just take care of this arrow also. Okay, next here we have to change the angle. Okay, so if you want to inside you can give inside, if you want to give outside you can give outside. Okay, then just click on preview and okay. So see here we got draft like this, right? So if you want to edit this you can edit also. Okay, suppose if you double click on this one, here you can edit. Suppose for example here this pad I'm giving as mirror extend. Okay, so again here we have given this plane as our parting element, right? So if I don't want to use that, I will select again, means you can clear that selection. Okay, or you can turn off this. So then what will happen, let us see here, we are getting for entire edge. If we don't want to get for entire edge, we can go for parting element and we can select the plane, or if you have any other face you can select that also. Okay, so then you will get up to certain limit only. Okay, so it's about a draft definition. If you want to give other side, okay, here we have second side, right? So if you want to give second side, here also you can give. Okay, so this second side also we can give, means we can give two different draft angles in fact. Okay, so here I'm giving parting element, limiting element. So click on the second side, and then here we have to give neutral element. So here this side, this time I'm giving neutral element as this face. Okay, so again here if you want to give different angle you can give, it's up to you. Suppose here I want to give something more. Okay, I'm giving 30, let us say. Okay, just click on OK. See, here we have different draft angle and here we have different draft angle. Okay, so if you want to give two different angles like this, we can go for this tool. Okay, so next, here if you see, in this we have auto fillet option. Okay, so suppose if you want to give fillet. Okay, so here I'm selecting this face. Okay, then just give your fillet radius. Okay, then click on OK. If you want to give any parting element and all, we can give. Okay, otherwise just click on OK. So automatically it will generate fillet everywhere. Okay, so whatever the edges we have here, right? So for all those edges you will get the fillet. See here, automatically we got the fillet, right? So only a face which you have selected, for that you won't get dropped, but for all other faces you will get. Okay, so it's about a auto fillet. I'm just undoing this, Control Z, and here we have auto draft also. Suppose here I'm deleting this draft. Okay, so here I'm selecting auto draft, and now we have to specify whether we need to add material or we need to remove material. Suppose here I want to remove material. Okay, or if you want to add material you can add, and then here we have to give angle. So this is the pulling direction. I'm giving this as or pulling direction upside, and functional faces. Okay, so I'm selecting this as my functional face, or let us give backside. Okay, so here it is our functional face, and parting element, if you want to give parting element you can give, otherwise it's okay. Okay, just click on OK. See here, we got draft right automatically. Okay, so if you have some difficult shapes, in that case if you wanna give draft, automatically everywhere we will get draft. Okay, so now if you want to change this you can change also. Okay, so see here, so like this we can increase or decrease also. Okay, so it's about advanced dress up features. ఓకే, సో మీకేమైనా ఇందులో అర్థం కాకపోతే ఒకసారి నాకు కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో పిన్ చేయండి, వాటిని నేను మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్, హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే, బాయ్.